What's up, guys? This is Sammy Geek back here with another video, and I have some interesting information that I just uncovered regarding the battery life on the Samsung Fold. Stick with me for a minute and I'm going to share the details. So call me crazy, but I've come up with, I think, a scenario here. I've calculated some numbers. And I want to start off and I want to give you some scenarios, okay? As you guys know, I'm a Note 20 Ultra user. So I get one screen, I get one battery. The common scenarios are you're sitting at home on your couch and you're watching TV, or you're, relaxing, looking at your phone, you're watching YouTube, you're checking out some sports scores, whatever it might be. That's one case. Case number two, you're on your way to work, you're busing into work for whatever reason, you're looking at your phone, you're maybe getting some work done, multitasking, things like this. Scenario three, you're out all day. We've all been in this case before. You're out all day and you are, heading out. You're gonna go to the beach with your friends, and then you're gonna go out at night. You're gonna be running around with your family. You're not gonna have a battery pack with you, so you need to maximize your battery all day. So I started thinking about this scenario. When I'm at home relaxing on the couch, checking out my phone, I've got a battery pack usually nearby, and I've got a wireless charger nearby. So all of this is a non-issue, right, for battery power. Option number two, you're on the bus, you're driving to work, you're carpooling, whatever it is. You probably have a battery pack with you. You probably packed one in your work bag, whatever it might be. So you have access to a charger. When don't we have access to a charger? Those scenarios are those long days where you are not going to want to carry that charger with you. So I've run some crazy calculations here. And you guys hear me out. And I really think that the Fold 3 might be a beast for battery life in those scenarios where we don't have a battery pack with you. And the reason I say that is because, okay, the Fold 3 has two screens. One is 6.2 and one is 7.6. The Note 20 Ultra, just for the comparison here, has one screen, 6.9. The resolution on the Fold 2 on the inner display is 2268 by 832. That's the small display on the front. The inner display is 2208 by 1768, okay? The Note 20 Ultra, again, 6.9 inch display, and that is 3088 by 1440. So there's a reason I'm boring you with all these numbers, because if you do the math on that, you can figure out how many pixels that your phone has. So take all of those and then consider your battery life. Battery life on the Fold 3 is 4,400 milliamp hours, and the Note 20 Ultra is 4,500. So it's a little bit larger battery. You also have a pretty large screen. It's only one screen to work with. So what I did is I've taken I'm not gonna bore you with all the math, but I figured out how many pixels, and there's so many crazy that, like, the Note 20 Ultra, just as a side note, has like 4 million pixels on the screen. It's freaking insane. Do some math calculations, pretty quick, easy stuff. Based on how many pixels the phone has, you come up with an end result number. Okay, and this is where it gets really interesting. So I've come up with, for the Note 20 Ultra, the number now the lower number equals technically more power efficient. So the Note 20 Ultra comes in at 988 for the power efficiency. So let's use that as our starting base, okay? Then the interior screen, the larger screen of the Fold 2, if you calculate and look at the resolution, you're getting 887. All things considered, if we're talking 120 hertz refresh, same brightness, I think they call it nits, the same brightness levels, let's just assume that all the rest of the calculations are the same. Again, 988 on the Note 20 Ultra, 887 on the Fold interior screen. That means and that's figuring out a 4,400 milliamp battery too. That is doing the calculation. So technically that's a little more power efficient than the Note 20 Ultra. That's the big screen. Now check this out. The small screen, 6.2, that comes in, my calculation, if my math is off, you guys tell me, but I'm coming up with a calculation of 428. And remember, lower equals more power efficient. So based on that math, the exterior screen running all things equal, 120 hertz, same brightness as the Note 20 Ultra, should be, and that's including the smaller battery, should be at least 50% more power efficient than your Note 20 Ultra. What do you guys think of that? That's freaking crazy, right? Because listen, for those long days when you are like, I need my juice, I need this phone to work for me, and it can't die, I'm gonna be out for a day and a half and I'm not gonna have a charger, the Fold is gonna be a freaking beast, because don't unfold the device. Leave it closed, use your exterior screen. If you're gonna sit there and you know you're gonna shop on Amazon and you're gonna play around online, well, yeah, bring a battery pack. But listen, the Fold is ending up to be like the do-it-all phone, because now you have the small screen, which can be super. And guess what? If you turn down the 120 hertz and turn down the dimness, that thing, who knows how long that exterior screen could last. I mean, that could be a 3-day phone if you were to just use the exterior. You guys see where I'm going with this? The Fold 3 ends up now being like this total beast of any scenario that you throw at it. It can be the scenario that you're out all day. It can be the scenario where you want to have the big, beautiful display and you're going to game it out and you're going to have the thing cranked up full blast, but you got a battery pack next to you. Who cares about the battery life at that point? I bet you guys $100, mark my words on this. You guys are going to see battery tests, and no one is going to do a battery test with that damn thing folded the entire time. They're going to unfold it. They're going to put it up against the Note 20 Ultra, the S21. They're going to put it against the iPhone, and they're going to say, that thing, battery life sucks. It got 6 hours and every other phone got 10. Dude, it's because you didn't use the little screen. It's because you unfolded the thing and left it unfolded on the massive screen. Well, hell yeah, that's going to be much more taxing on the large screen. So anyway, check my calculations, see if I'm right, and see if maybe we've uncovered a total beast of a phone. And you guys probably already, the Fold 2 users out there probably already realized this, but for anyone shopping for the Fold 3, I think this is very important to note, I think. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.